So let's see. What do you want to do today? I don't know, Minnie. What can we do? Uh, how about we go maybe to see a movie? Yeah, I want to see the Barbie movie. She wears pink just like me. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. I think that's like a chick flick or something. Why don't just you and Minnie go? Oh my god, what's this thing? That's crazy! Abominable cat! Abominable cat in effect! Get out of here! Get out of here! Ah! Yeah, I want to see the Barbie movie. She wears pink, just like us. Yeah, let's go see the Barbie movie. I want to go. I want to go. Let's go. Wait a minute, guys. Something's happening. Check the news. Check the news. Oh no! Breaking news, guys. There is a severe snowstorm coming. A blizzard. We expect about 24 feet of snow. So if you are planning on going to see the Barbie movie or anything like that, you can forget it. It's gonna be snow, snow, snow. You won't even be able to see anything but snow. So stay inside, bundle up, and be safe. Oh no! There's that crazy, abominable snowcat! He's gonna eat us! He's gonna eat us? Oh no! I'm scared. He has us in his cave. Don't eat us. Don't eat us. I'm scared. What are we gonna do? He might come back and eat one of us. I hope not. Yeah, I don't want to be eaten by a abominable snowcat. Me either. We have to escape somehow. How? We should have never went outside in this snow blizzard. That's crazy. I don't know why we did it. Yeah, I don't know why we did it either. Yeah, me either. I don't know why we did it. Mickey, think of something. You're smart. Um, okay, I got it. One of us distracts the abominable snowcat, and then the other three can escape. Uh, I'm not gonna distract them. I'm not gonna distract them. I'm not gonna distract them. Why is everybody looking at me? Come on, Mickey, you can do it. You can distract them. Yeah, Mickey, you do it. Yeah, Mickey, you do it. I guess I'll do it. Yay! There's the snowcat. Let's distract him. Listen, abominable snowcat. You can't eat us. Why don't we just all be friends and try to get along? You can eat something else. Oh, I think he said yeah. Does that sound good? Please don't eat us. Mwah. I love snowcats. Mwah. I just love them. They're the cutest little thing in the whole wide world. I pet you and give you lots of love and snuggles. As long as you don't eat us, we promise to come back every day and visit you and give you love and pets. Is that a deal? What do you say? He said yes! Mwah! We love you, Snowcat! Mwah! We love you, Snowcat! Yeah! We love you, Snowcat! Mwah! We're free to go! Thanks! Let's get out of here, guys! Bye, Snowcat! We'll come back tomorrow! Mwah! Well, I guess you guys can forget about the movie. Yeah, you guys can't go to the movie. Well, I guess you guys can just forget about the movie. Yeah, you guys can't go. It's gonna be a blizzard. Yeah, what are we gonna do now? Come on, let's check the window and see how it's raining. We can't go to the movies now. No, it's gonna be a big blizzard outside. I heard a rumor that there's an abominable snowcat outside too, walking around. Let's go look and see if we can find him. That sounds kind of dangerous. Come on, let's do it. All right, let's go outside. There he is. That's the snowcat. He's dangerous. He might eat us. Stay away from him. What's he gonna do with us? He brought us in here. Oh no. Let me look outside. What? There's a crazy storm outside, guys. Let's go outside and look for that crazy abominable cat. Let's do this. There he is. There's the snowcat. I'm scared. Let's try and see if he's friendly. Hello, snowcat. Are you friendly? Or are you gonna eat us? Oh! He took me! Don't take me, snowcat! Don't take me! Ah! What are you gonna do? You gonna eat us? Don't eat us, please! Oh! Oh my god, what is that growling noise you're making? Don't eat me! Don't eat me! Ah! Where are we? We're inside his cave. He's gonna eat us. I'm so scared. What a day! That abominable snowcat wasn't gonna eat us. He just wanted a friend. Yeah, he just needed a friend. Yeah, he wasn't bad at all. We'll all go back and see him tomorrow. It's a nice day tomorrow, and we made a new friend, and we'll have lots of fun. Everything worked out. Yeah, but we didn't see the Barbie movie. Come on, guys, dance. All right. The end.